We're going to open this minion. We're going to eat it.
So
we're going to eat it. So my mom is going to open it.
yeah.
It's flying to get mommy.
Yes. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! Minions.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, 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 go. I can't open it. You ask Ate Jackie to open this first.
Open. Let's go see what's inside. Let's go to somewhere.
There it. Remove the wipes. Hi, oh my god, our video is being destroyed.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! What do we have there? Wow, show it. Show it. What's inside? Ta-da! What colors are there?
Blue, yellow, white.
And blue, yellow, and white only? No
Blue,
more?
yellow, and white.
Is it yummy?
I got blue again.
You like minions? What did you get this time? What color?
Blue again.
Blue again.
This time I got yellow.
Yellow.
You want to eat two, Gemma?
Hmm?
Here. You eat some. I got yellow. This time I got yellow and white. I'm getting all the colors.
Where did you buy it?
And very good. You want to eat some?
Okay, let me try. Blue. Kasali si Ate Janine.
You like it?
Yeah, it's yummy.
It's from this
Oh.
stoppable meatball.
Just speakable. Can you say that one more time?
Despicable meatball.
Yes.
This is chapter 4.
Chapter 4.
We never see this guy, this girl,
Girl.
this girl, and this girl.
Okay, so say bye-bye to your...
Bye bye. Next video, mamaya.
See you
Bye.
again.